Fala pessoal, tudo bem? Welcome to Uncle Brazil. My name is Rodrigo and today we will learn to use the past continuous in Portuguese. The corresponding structure is the gerúndio. Gerúndio. In the previous video, we learned to use gerúndio in the present tense. I'll put the card around here. And today we will learn the structure in the past. But first of all, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and after the video, leave your thumbs up if you like it. Help me to grow this channel and to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you know someone that is studying Portuguese, share this video. It will help me a lot. Now, vamos nessa! First, we need to understand when to use the past continuous in Portuguese. There are some cases, but I identified the three most important in my opinion, and now I will show you some examples. The first one, talk about two or more actions that happen at the same time in the past. For example, I was tidying the room while my girlfriend was cooking. Eu estava arrumando a sala enquanto a minha namorada estava fazendo a comida. The second one. Talk about a continuous action in the past which was already happening when another punctual action took place. For example, she was taking a shower when you called. Ela estava tomando banho quando você ligou. It's not banhou, it's banho, ok? Ela estava tomando banho quando você ligou. And the third one speaks exactly what we were doing in the past at a specific moment, giving the idea of continuity of action. Yesterday, at 9 p.m., they were playing soccer. Ontem, às 9 da noite, eles estavam jogando futebol. In my opinion, these are the three most important cases. Now that you know when to use it, we need to understand the structure, how to construct gerúndio in the past. And we are going to see step by step. Estrutura. Structure. Estrutura. First, we need the verb estar, to be, conjugated in the past imperfect, plus the main verb in gerúndio. Okay? The first step. Verb estar, to be. Let's conjugate it in the past imperfect, pretérito imperfeito. Eu estava, você estava, ele, ela estava, a gente estava, nós estávamos, vocês estavam, eles, elas estavam. Now we need to see how to construct the verb in gerúndio. All the verbs in Portuguese finish with "are". So, to form gerúndio, you just need to replace the "are" with "do". Examples: to travel, viajar, viajando. You replace "are" with "do". Viajar, viajando. To eat, comer, comendo. To sleep, dormir, dormindo. Now, let's see the complete puzzle. Exemplos: while you were traveling in Brazil, I was living in the USA. Enquanto você estava viajando pelo Brasil, eu estava morando nos Estados Unidos. Estava, it's the verb estar, conjugated in the second person, in the past imperfect. Estar, estava. Eu estava morando. Eu estava. Again, it's the verb estar, conjugated in the past imperfect, in the first person. This is the structure. The second example. We were eating when you arrived. A gente estava comendo quando você chegou. And the third example. Yesterday, at 10 p.m., I was already sleeping. Ontem, às 10 da noite, eu já estava dormindo. Guys, you already know when to use gerúndio in the past and how to construct the structure. Now, I want to show you how Brazilian locals really speak. Let's turn on the native mode. I will conjugate now the verb estar in the past imperfect in the native mode. Let's go! Instead of eu estava, I will say eu tava. Eu tava. This is how Brazilians speak. Instead of você estava, is você tava. Ele, ela tava. A gente tava. Nós. It's not very usual. It would be nós távamos, but sounds weird, so Brazilians don't use it, ok? Vocês estavam. Eles, elas estavam. Let's see the examples. Enquanto você estava viajando pelo Brasil, eu estava morando nos Estados Unidos. This is how Brazilians speak. A gente estava comendo quando você chegou. Ontem às 10 da noite, eu já estava dormindo. É isso, pessoal. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. And I hope it helped you. To practice this structure, I created some exercises for you. You can find the link here in the video description. Okay, guys? Thank you again and see you in the next video. Valeu!